G'day, David from Trays and Roof Racks. Today we're going to go through a few quick tips on how to keep your roof rack looking great for a long time. One of the biggest things that can affect the finish, especially on the front, is the bug splatter. Now you want to make sure that you do maintain that and do clean that off. Some bugs can be acidic and that will eat into the powder coat. Same goes for tar, sap, other airborne contaminants, general dirt and grime. Basically, bottom line is that if you keep your rack nice and clean, it's going to last a lot longer. Come back from a day's play at the beach, you might have noticed this white residue. Now this is actually salt spray. Salt spray can get on the rack from a number of reasons, kayaks, anything like that, but you're going to want to clean that off straight away. The salt crystals will eat into your powder coat and that will deteriorate the finish as well. Now if you do get a scratch on your roof rack, you should touch that up. You can use a paint pen, or if you only have access to a spray can, a handy little trick is to spray the paint onto a plastic surface and then you can use a paintbrush to apply the paint. Okay, now one last but very important thing is to maintain your bolt tension. You want to check that at least every 6 months. There we go guys, a few simple tips to help you maintain your roof rack and keep it looking great for a long time.